POV of the unknown one. What are the 7 deadly sins? The funny thing about humanity is this. We are so busy pointing fingers at everyone else that we rarely stop and look at ourselves. We expose people. We judge people. We cancel people. We compare ourselves to people. When was the last time we asked? Which of the 7 deadly sins am I fooling? Mine. Pride tells us, I'm better than you. Greed whispers, it's still not enough. Lust says, I want what I shouldn't have. Envy asks, why do they have it and not me? Wrath screams, I'll make them pay. Gluttony says, more, just one more. Sloth politely says, I'll do it tomorrow. Here's where it goes to my journey. People don't always destroy each other. Sometimes they do it with their words, with gossip,
Habang may hininga,
with silence when someone needs help, with pleasure in watching another person
sa'yo
hurt.
lamang, Panginoon, ang sandigan ko. Sa panahong walang liwanag na nagniningning, ikaw ang tanglaw ko, ikaw ang awitin, ikaw ang lakas ko, ikaw ang buhay.
Before we judge
Sa
another person's
bawat
story,
hakbang,
maybe we should first
ikaw
ask
ang
ourselves, which sin am I
gabay.
protecting? Think about it. The
Hindi
world doesn't need more people
mawawala
pretending to
ang
be perfect. It needs more
pag-asa
people
ko,
willing to admit they are still
dahil
growing. The
ikaw
unknown ones.
ang Diyos na totoo. May mga gabi na tila walang bukas, mga sugat sa puso tila di matapos. Ngunit sa bawat sakit na aking nadama, mas lalo kang nakilala. Sa bawat pagbagsak, ikaw ang kamay na humahawak at umaakay. Hindi ako susuko, hindi ako titigil, dahil ikaw ang dahilan ng aking pagbangon. Sa'yo ako kakapit, sa'yo ako aasa, hanggang sa makita ko ang iyong kaluwalhatian. Kaya hinga sa gitna